Hi guys, good morning. This is just a quick introduction to a small build I'm doing just on the side. It is a Tony Ray kit. Tony Ray is a Chinese designer and manufacturer who produces some lovely scale models and large scale gliders. Now Model Shop Leeds has sent me a small kit to review, and I'm going to have a look at it. In fact, I'm going to do a complete build series for this model because although the instructions are photographic online for download or just viewing on your computer, there's no actually written instructions, which means there's no chance of getting misunderstood by a translation or anything. So there's just a build series of pictures. So I'm going to do actually a build series, and it'll be over a few parts because it's quite a lot of construction for such a small aeroplane. And so I'm going to do a build series, but just for now, here is the box that it comes in, and that's what it looks like. And here's where I am right now, construction wise. This is after quite a few hours of building, but this is just to show you what's on the bench and what I'm just building just on the side for a bit of fun. So join me in the build series as I upload it. Part 1 will be up soon. And yeah, thank you to Model Shop Leeds for supplying the kit and the receiver board. And I'll see you in the workshop. Cheers guys.